Okay, now we come to the second step to how to use the functions and the parameters. H is hatching, stands for filling of your letters or your logos. When you use this function,
这个0.05就是这两个线的间距。
the line distance is 0.05. It is the distance between the two lines. You can enlarge your letters to see, to check the line distance.
然后这边公率。
And then we can come to the parameter setting. The speed, the power, and frequency. And then when you set the parameters, we also come to the red light. Shortcut is F1.
对齐。 感受不行，还有点。
And then come to mark.
在这里。
This is a filling functions. If you want more depth, then you can adjust the speed more low and the power is higher.
打深的话，把这个次数降。
And also you need to add the mark loop for 10 times, 20 times according to your request for deep engraving. Okay?